How to use AliExpress mobile app for online shopping. Open the AliExpress application. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Initially, you'll be in the home interface. You can explore many products and items over here. If you would like to purchase any item, you can tap on it. You can see the details regarding the item over here. You can scroll down in order to see ratings and reviews over here. You can also see Q&A. Likewise, you can go back. If you do not find the item in the home interface, you can tap on the shop interface. Now you'll be able to shop by category. At left, you'll be able to find various categories. Tap on the option of your choice. Now you can see various options over here. Tap on the option of your choice. Now see the items and products over here. Tap on the item that you would like to purchase. See the details of the items and decide whether you want to buy it or not. If you want to buy it, tap on this option Add to Cart that you can see on the screen. Choose the color and other specifications according to the item that you selected. Tap on the option Continue. Now you can tap on the option Checkout that you can see on the screen. After you do that, you'll also have to add the shipping address. I've already done it. If not, tap on the field of shipping address. After that, you can tap on the option Add New Address. Now enter the shipping address over here. Enter the first name, last name, phone number and address. Tap on the option Save. After you do that, what you have to do is confirm the order. You can see the item that you ordered over here. Select the payment method. You can find the payment methods like PayPal, card, Google Pay, etc. Tap on the option of your choice. If you selected the option for card, you'll have to enter the card details over here. Enter the card number. Also enter the cardholder name over here. After you do that, select the expiry date. First of all, select the month. Now select the year and tap on the OK option. Enter the CVV. After you do that, tap on this option Save and Confirm that you can see on the screen. If you have the promo code, you can apply it over here. Now you can see the summary over here. You can see shipping fee, additional charges and total. You can simply tap on the option Pay Now that you can see on the screen in order to proceed the payment. Wait for the transaction to be completed and your online shopping will be done. Your order will be placed and you'll receive the order. Like this, you can use AliExpress for online shopping. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.